Well, it's a big snow day today. It's is it February 20th today? And it's here in the Twin Cities we're under a winter storm warning, so I left the car in the street. I just need to move it. There we go. The advantages of having a wagon is having the ability to wipe the rear window off. 26 degrees outside, but it feels a little cooler than that because of the wind. There we go. Lights turned on here. All right. They're forecasting upwards of, I don't know, it seems to vary. Originally it wasn't supposed to be heavy snowfall, but right now I think they're looking at getting about a foot to maybe 18 inches today. So we shall see. We've had a relatively mild week last week. Temperatures started falling off on Friday, Saturday, or it's actually kind of sunny and nice, but this morning it started snowing and it's coming down at a pretty good clip. Melting was good because we were able to get rid of a lot of our existing snow cover, which we've had since like early December. Looks like the city's been out. Let's get a step through this. Oh, there we go. No problems at all. Okay. Well, hopefully tomorrow's President's Day, so I have tomorrow off, so I don't have to worry about commuting in this mess. Stuff like this usually doubles or triples my commute, so. But as you can see, remnants from our previous snowfalls. So much fun. I can't wait for spring to get here.